Cryptocurrency is now one of the most popular investment assets around the world. But how exactly do you get started? Let's find out. Before you start investing in any asset class, you need to have a basic understanding of what it is and how it works. This is no different when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies available today, but the largest and most well-known is Bitcoin. Other popular cryptos include Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, and Solana. To invest in crypto, you will first need to purchase some. You can do this through a cryptocurrency exchange where you can trade your legal tender such as US dollars or euros for cryptocurrency. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken, and Binance. Fees and commissions vary between exchanges, so it's important to compare them before deciding where to open an account. Once you have purchased some cryptocurrency, you can store it either on the exchange itself or in a digital wallet. A digital wallet is a software program that stores your cryptocurrency. There are many different wallets available, and it's important to choose one that is secure and easy to use. Some popular wallets include Exodus, Electrum, and Mycelium. Finally, once you have stored your cryptocurrency in a wallet, you can start investing it. There are many different ways to invest in cryptocurrency, and it's important to find a strategy that fits your goals and risk tolerance. Some popular investment strategies include day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. Day trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrency within a single day. Swing trading involves holding cryptocurrency for a few days or weeks. Long-term investing involves holding cryptocurrency for several years. Now that you know the basics of cryptocurrency and how to get started, let me share with you the best tips for investing in it. Just like with any other investment, it's important to do your research before investing in cryptocurrency. The market is highly volatile and risky, and you could lose all of your money. It's important to understand the risks involved before getting started. One way to reduce your risk when investing in cryptocurrency is to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your money around and invest in a variety of different cryptocurrencies. This will help you to mitigate the risk if one coin tanks in value. Another way to reduce your risk when investing in cryptocurrency is to only invest what you can afford to lose. This may seem obvious, but it's important to remember that the market is highly volatile and risky. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. When investing in cryptocurrency, it's important to stay informed. Keep up to date on the latest news and developments in the market. This will help you make better investment decisions. One way to stay informed is to follow industry news outlets. Many reputable news outlets cover the cryptocurrency market. Following these outlets will give you a better understanding of the market and help you stay ahead of the curve. Another way to stay informed is to join online communities. There are many online communities where people discuss cryptocurrency. Joining these communities will give you a chance to learn from others and make connections. It's also important to be patient when investing in cryptocurrency. Don't try to get rich quick. The market is highly volatile and prices can fluctuate dramatically. Be prepared to weather the ups and downs and don't make any rash decisions. If you are new to cryptocurrency, it's a good idea to start with a small investment. This will allow you to get your feet wet and learn the ropes without risking too much money. You can gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable with the market. Another important tip for investing in cryptocurrency is to never keep your coins on an exchange. Exchanges are vulnerable to hacking and theft, so it's important to keep your coins safe and secure. You can do this by storing your coins in a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your coins offline. This helps to keep your coins safe and secure. While investing in cryptocurrency can be a great way to make money, it's important to remember that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and patience to build wealth. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Be prepared to invest for the long term. If you follow these tips, you'll be well on your way to successful cryptocurrency investing. Let's look at some examples of how to invest in cryptocurrency. For this example, let's assume you have $1,000 to invest in cryptocurrency. Here's how you could do it. First, you would open an account with a cryptocurrency exchange. Once your account is approved, you would deposit $1,000 into your account. From there, you would use the exchange's trading function to purchase cryptocurrency with your deposited funds. So, for example, if you wanted to buy Bitcoin, you would type in how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Let's say you decide to buy 0.05 Bitcoin, which at the time of recording is worth about $250. That means you have $750 left over in your account. You could either buy more cryptocurrency or withdraw the remaining money. In this example, let's say we use the rest of the money to buy Ethereum, and we end up with 0.5 Ethereum, which at the time of recording is worth $150. This leaves us with $600 in our account. We could continue buying more cryptocurrency or withdraw the remaining money. In this example, let's say we buy the remaining money worth of Cardano, and we end up with 300 Cardano. At this point, you have invested $1,000 in cryptocurrency. Now that you know how to buy and store cryptocurrency, let's talk about some ways you can invest it. One way to invest in cryptocurrency is to simply hold it. This is known as hodling. Hodling is a long-term strategy in which investors buy and hold cryptocurrency for several years. This allows investors to benefit from the growth of the market without having to actively trade. When you hold cryptocurrency, you want to make sure that it is stored safely and securely. Another way to invest in cryptocurrency is to trade it. This includes day trading and swing trading. Day traders buy and sell cryptocurrency within a single day. They typically use technical analysis to identify profitable trades. Swing traders, on the other hand, hold cryptocurrency for a few days or weeks. They typically use fundamental analysis to identify profitable trades. If you want to trade cryptocurrency, you need to have a good understanding of the market. You also need to be disciplined and patient. You can also invest in cryptocurrency by lending it. This is known as crypto lending. When you lend cryptocurrency, you are essentially providing a loan to someone who needs it. In return, you will earn interest on your loan. There are many different platforms that offer crypto lending, and the interest rates vary depending on the platform. Finally, you can invest in cryptocurrency by staking it. Staking is a way to support the blockchain network and earn rewards. When you stake cryptocurrency, you are essentially helping to validate transactions. The amount of cryptocurrency you earn depends on how much cryptocurrency you stake. There are also some risks to consider when investing in cryptocurrency. The first risk is volatility. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile, meaning its price can change rapidly. This can be a good thing if you're trying to make a quick profit, but it can also be a bad thing if you're not prepared for it. The second risk is security. Cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets, which can be hacked or stolen. Make sure you take steps to protect your wallet and your coins. Finally, there is the risk of regulation. The cryptocurrency market is still relatively new and there is a lot of uncertainty about how it will be regulated in the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below what you think.